Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to either enable or disable location services on your Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is right click on the Windows Start button and select Settings. You want to select Privacy and Security on the left side, and then on the right side you want to go down to Location and go ahead and select that. Location services. Location will be available to Windows and anyone using this device when this is on. Go ahead and turn that on or off depending on your preference, and that's pretty much it. And you can also customize it too, so this is the master control, and if you want to allow certain apps access, you can. So pretty straightforward process. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.